Hello friends, I welcome you all to GIPL Technical Series. I am Rohit Sharma and I am working with GIPL as a software engineer. Today we are going to provide information further in SQL Basic covering topic of mean and max, sum, in, count, like, alias, average and between. So stay connected with us till the end to know full details. Before we start our topic, I would like to give some information about GIPL. GIPL is a government organization. GIPL provides IT and IT-enabled service to different government organizations. We provide informative videos about government software and latest technology tutorials. To get latest video, please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Now let's start our topics. Now let's see the SQL mean and max function. Mean function is used to find out the record with minimum value among a record set. Max function is used to find out the record with maximum value among a record set. Syntax. The syntax of mean and max function in SQL is select mean numeric column from table. Select max numeric column from table. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Select a customer table and execute it. Here you can see the minimum value of amount paid from customer table. Select minimum amount paid from customers. This following SQL statement select the minimum value of amount paid from customer table. Now execute and see the results. Similarly, we can see the maximum value of amount paid from customer table. Select max amount paid from customers. This following SQL statement select the maximum value of amount paid from customer table. Now execute and see the results. Now let's see the SQL sum function. Sum function is used to return the sum of an expressions in the select statement. Syntax. The syntax of sum function in SQL is select sum aggregate expression from table. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Now select the customer table and see the results. Here we can see the sum of amount paid from customer table. Select sum amount paid from customers. The following SQL statement select the sum of amount paid from customers table. Now execute and see the result. Now let's see the SQL count function. Count function is used to count the number of row returns in select statement. Syntax. The syntax for count function in SQL is select count aggregate expression from table. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Here you can see the count of row from customer table. Select the customer table where number of row is 13. The following SQL statement select the count star from customer table. Now execute and see the results. Now let's see the SQL in condition. In condition, sometimes called the in operator, allow you to easily test in expression match any value in list of values. It is used to help reduce the need of multiple or conditionals in select, insert, update or delete statement. Syntax. The syntax for in condition in SQL is expression in value 1, value 2, comma value n. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. In this example, we have a table called customer with the following data. The in condition can be used with any data type in SQL. Let's look at how to use in condition with character string value. The following SQL statement select the value where country are Germany, UK, Mexico. Select star from customers. where country in Germany, UK, Mexico. Select the statement and execute and see the result. Now let's see the SQL like condition. The like condition allow you to use wildcard to perform pattern matching in a SQL query. The like condition is used in where clause of select, insert, update or delete statement. There are two wildcard used in conjunction with a like operator, percentage and underscore. Syntax. The syntax of like condition is as follows. Select from table name where column like value percentage, or it can be select from table name where column like percentage value percentage. Select from table where column like value underscore. Select from table name where column like underscore value. Select from table name where column like underscore value underscore. Here x x x x represent any numeric or string value. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. In this example, we have table called customer with the following data. Select star from customers. Let's look at how to use like condition. Select star from customer where amount paid like 200%. The following SQL statement select any value that start with 200. Here we can see the results. Similarly, let's see another example. Select star from customer where amount paid like percentage 200%. This SQL statement find any value that have 200 in any position. Now let's execute and see the result. Similarly, now see the another example. Select star from customer where amount paid like underscore 00 percentage. Here we find any value that have 00 in the second and third position. Now execute and see the result. Similarly, we see the another example. Select star from customer where amount paid like 2 underscore percentage. Here we find any value that start with 2 and are at least 3 character in a length. Now execute and see the results. Now let's see the SQL alias operator. SQL alias are used to give a table or a column in a table a temporary name. Alias are often used to make column name more readable. An alias only exists for the duration of query. Syntax. The syntax for the alias operator is as follows. Alias column syntax. Select column name as alias name from table name. Alias table syntax. Select column name from table name as alias name. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. This is a selection from the customer table. Let's see the alias for column. This SQL statement create two alias, one for the customer ID column and another for the customer name column. Select customer ID as ID, customer name as customer from customer table. Now execute and see the result. Similarly, we can see the another example. This SQL statement create two alias of a customer name column and one for contact name column. Note, it required double quotation mark or square brackets if the alias name contain space. Select customer name as customer, contact name as contact person from customer table. Now execute and see the result. Now see the another example. This following SQL create an alias name address that combine three column address, city and country. Select customer name, comma, address, plus, comma, plus city plus comma plus country as address from customer table. Now execute and see the result. Similarly, we see the alias for table. This SQL statement select all the record from the customers with customer ID equal to 4. We can use customers tables and give the table alias of C. Here we use alias to make the SQL sorter. Select star from customer as C where C dot customer ID equal to 4. Now execute and see the result. Similarly, we see the another example. The SQL statement is as above without alias. Select star from customer where customer dot customer ID equal to 4. Now execute and see the result. Alias can be useful when there are more than one table involved in a query. Functions are used in a query. Column names are big or not very readable. Two or more columns are combined together. Now let's see the SQL average function. The average function returns the average value of numeric column. Syntax. The syntax for average function is as follows. Select average column name from table name where condition. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Now select the customer table. The following SQL statement find the average amount paid. Select average amount paid from customers. Now execute and see the results. Let's see the SQL between operator. The between operator selects values within a range. The values can be numbers, text, or dates. The between operator is inclusive, begin and end values are included. Syntax. The syntax for between operator is as follows. Select column name from table name where column name between value 1 and value 2. Let's see the example. This is the same demo database that we have used earlier. Now select the customer table. The following SQL statement select all customers with amount paid between 1000 and 2000. Select star from customer where amount paid between 1000 and 2000. Now select and execute the statement. Similarly, we can see the another example with not between. To display the customers outside the range of previous example, use not between. Select star from customer where amount paid not between 1000 and 2000. Execute the query and see the result. Similarly, we can see the another example with not between with in example. Select star from customer where amount paid not between 1000 and 2000 and country not in Germany, Mexico and UK. The following SQL statement select all customer with amount paid not between 1000 and 2000. In addition, do not show the customers with a country Germany, Mexico and UK. Now execute the query. Today we cover following topics in SQL: min and max, sum, in, count, like, alias, average and between. Hope all this information was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. For any IT and IT enabled services, you can contact GIPL with details shown on the screen. If you like our video, please click like button and share with your friends and family. We will meet you in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home and take care of yourselves.